Hello, by watching this video you will learn how to make the most powerful universal law work on your favor. I will be sharing with you key concepts according to a research made in 2008 by Eddie Muller. Stay tuned. In my last videos, I spoke about the law of attraction and the law of allowing. This is a great compilation that you should watch and, most important, put on practice. Based on research, people are not having success because they ignore the allowing process. Allowing law is one of the most difficult universal laws, and also it is one of the most important. If you really want to start to see positive results, you better start right now to understand and to work with the allowing process. When allowing process, a vibration is made with the universe. That means between you and the universe, or even better and more clear, between what is desired and the universe. Therefore, that is what you will attract to your life. For an illustration, imagine someone who has been single most of his or her life and wants or wish to find a life partner. However, always when that person is dreaming about it, praying about it, doing visualizations, wishing, hoping to find that ideal person, somehow the limited beliefs system will start to sabotage that person's allowing process by bringing negative thoughts. It is impossible, I have been single most of my life, so I don't think I will find that right person, I don't deserve it, I'm not good enough, and so on. Which will produce negative vibrations. When we focus from fear, we will attract things that we don't wish, right? So if we are always thinking about what we don't want, or that something really bad and negative can happen to us or to our family, this is so powerful that unfortunately we can attract. So if there is something that you should really take from this video, is to be aware that the reasons for what the law of attraction doesn't work on your favor is because you are not working or you don't understand the process of the allowing law plus your limited belief system. People have limited belief system for what they can or cannot have, do, or be in life. Consequently, conditioning our belief system to think that we have no control on our lives, no control on over change we make in our lives, will only create over and over the same negative results on your life. The history of I am asking for too much, or that I am not good enough, I don't deserve it, or that my negative past will happen again and again. This limited belief system is the major reason of not getting what we dream, our desires. This will automatically block the law of attraction process. If you have limited belief system, your energy and your vibration will be negative. That means you will attract all what you don't wish. Remember, energy cannot be destroyed, and that energy and that vibration is what you are sending to the universe, and the universe will send you back exactly the same form of energy. According to Jerry and Esther Hicks, when the vibration is from compassion, it is aligning with the energy of freedom, and that energy can carry in and out of our bodies. And that is what will make the impossible to be possible. That is what makes you attract anything that you desire in life. Be aware of what kind of form of energy you are sending to the universe, because that energy will align with your desires.
Thank you so much for watching this video and making this world a better world. Subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up. Until next time, universal blessings.